In this video, we'll learn how to install image source and theme. On the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow Showcase via the component menu item. First, let's start to learn how to install the image source. Click on the Show List menu item. On the Show List Manager page, click on the New button to create one. Before installing the image source, we need to adjust our general settings. Enter the title, select Options, and don't forget to click on the Save button. Now you can see all of the image sources. By default, the image folder and Picasa is installed. And JSN ImageShow supports many sources. Just click on each thumbnail to install. In this video, we will install Flickr, for example. When the image source profile is shown, it means your image source installation progress is finished. Next, we'll learn about how to install a theme. Go to the Showcase Manager page. Click on the New button to create a new showcase. First, you need to finish and save all the general settings. In the Theme tab, all the themes are listed. By default, Classic theme is installed. Many themes have not yet been installed. Select the slider theme to install as an example. Wait for a few seconds, the progress will complete, then the theme settings panel is shown. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.